Hi.
What's the time?
8:18.
8:18. We're in a Cracker Barrel parking lot. There's a load of other campers here. We're going to get up at 3 a.m. to then drive an hour and a half to Grand Canyon to do a 6-mile hike. Enjoy the sunrise on that hike and
hopefully not die.
Why would we die?
It's meant to be a really hard hike.
You know us, we're ready for anything.
Harvey's definitely gonna get out of breath.
We're gonna enjoy this hike tomorrow. We're gonna try and get some sleep. We're not gonna stay up all night playing video games like the SpongeBob game.
It is fun. The $1.99 to get rid of ads was totally worth it.
We're gonna go to sleep because I'm tired. It's still pretty hot here. I'm waiting for it to cool down a bit so I can put this blanket over and just fall asleep in the car. I'm kind of getting used to sleeping in the car, as uncomfortable as it is. Good night, I guess. We'll see you in the morning. I didn't record today because we had to get the windshield fixed again, and I had to do a lot of work. We went to Starbucks.
We went to eat at a nice Hawaiian spot.
Oh yeah, we went to tried Hawaiian food for the first time. Trail we're doing is called the what? Bright Angel Trail, and it is here where we are, in case you didn't realise, with the Grand Canyon. What? It's a nice view. Almost at the top, I think. Maybe I'm just giving myself hope for no reason, but I haven't filmed much on the way up just because it's a lot more difficult than going down. As you can see, I'm sweating buckets, really tired, and I'm hungry. So we'll see when we get to the top. The view's still pretty nice though. Knackered. How was that?
It was good. Enjoyed it.
Oh my god, it was tiring.
It was. The last like quarter mile was tough.
Yeah. You know when I said, I think we're near the top? We were nowhere near the top. I'm back at the skate park. Because Emily's having a nap. Oh, sorry. Because Emily's having a nap. Everything's loose on my skateboard, so I'm just gonna chill, but I just got a new trick. So I'm just chilling, but I wanna try to get it on film. This trick that I just did. Not done for years. Because it's sweaty, that's why. Just finished up at the skate park, learned some new tricks. I was really gassed on that board slide down that weird ramp thing. Now we're about to go to a campsite, hip camp. If you know what hip camp if you don't know what hip camp is, it's almost like the Airbnb for campsites, would you say? It's currently 41 degrees, which is like what, 110 here in Phoenix, Arizona. We've been at this campsite waiting for someone to come and meet us. They didn't. We've knocked on doors, no one's answered. So we're gonna cancel, and we had a free reward for staying in a few hotels with hotels.com, so we've got a free hotel for the night.